Low blood pressure. Introduction. Blood pressure is the force of blood as it presses against the walls of the arteries. Select true or false. Correct. It is like the pressure of water in a garden hose. Low blood pressure is dangerous for everybody. Select true or false. Correct. Some people have low blood pressure all the time and they have no signs or symptoms. Their low blood pressure is normal for them. Shock can cause harm to the body's major organs. Select true or false. Correct. Shock can affect blood and oxygen flow to the body's major organs, including the brain. As people get older, they are more likely to have episodes of lower blood pressure. Select true or false. Correct. An older body doesn't manage changes in blood pressure as well as a younger body. Getting older can lead to low blood pressure. When you experience the symptoms of shock, you should lie down and rest. Select true or false. Correct. People who have shock need prompt treatment from medical personnel. If a person has signs or symptoms of shock, call 911 right away. Thank you for using Explain.